Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 22 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School this week, even if it was a short week. I know we had 2 NTI days on Thursday and Friday of this week. But before NTI, we did have several events happening in our building, and as you can see from some of the pictures, several birthdays, celebrations, because the Bengals are going to the Super Bowl. I won't hoop, holler, and shout, but I am a huge Bengals fan. And we also took a group of students who met the Achieve and Alex Challenge for the month of January to Buffalo Wild Wings. For the month of January, the reward is going to be, we believe, a visit to the Cheesecake Factory. So very excited about celebrating those students. And parents, I know I have a picture of a sleeping student in this connection. If your students are exhausted after school, Simons Middle School is claiming that as a victory. So if you've got any sleeping kiddo pics you want to send my way, we'll put those in the connection as well. This week at Simons Middle School, we are having Bengals Spirit Week. So you can see in the connection the theme days for this week. We're going to start off on Monday with Crazy Socks to celebrate our Bengals kicker. On Tuesday, we're going to allow students to wear sunglasses like Joe Cool Burrows. Wednesday, show your spirit by wearing orange. Thursday will be our Bring It Day this week at Simons Middle School. And then Friday, we will all showcase our Bengals spirit by wearing our Bengals gear. So we're really excited about the Bengals being in the Super Bowl, and we hope that the students will celebrate with us. One thing that we are going to start here at SMS, and you can see from the QR code that is in the connection for this week, is Ask the Principal. So parents and students, community members, anyone is allowed to fill out this form. It's completely anonymous. If you have a smartphone, all you need to do is open up your camera app and hover over this QR code. And once you hover over it, it will provide a link. You'll just click on the link. It's a super short form. It just asks you to provide some feedback. So you can provide feedback to us. You can provide a shout out to a teacher or a staff member that you feel like maybe you would like to thank. Or you can tell us what's going well or maybe what's not going well. Or if you've got questions about school or upcoming events, then that is the place to put those. I will check that every week. And if there's anything that I need to address in the Cougar Connection, I will do that. And I'll also share those results with the staff if we have any feedback for them. So this week on Monday, we do have several things going on. It is admin team meeting at 2. It is National School Counselors Week, so we'll just shout out to Miss Perkins, and we just want to thank her for all the things that she does for kids. She's very student-oriented, and there is no replacing her. She's amazing, and we appreciate everything she does for Simons Middle School and for our students. Basketball will verse East Carter. I believe they are at home on Monday night. And then the Fleming County Schools has a calendar meeting at 4 o'clock for those of you who are members of that committee. Leadership team will meet after school on Tuesday. Cougar Council, we will try to meet with you on Tuesday at 9:15. We also have a vertical team meeting, teachers, from 3:45 to 5:15 on Tuesday. And basketball will be away at Nicholas County. No events on the calendar so far for Wednesday. Thursday, we will have PLCs. It will be admin co-training in Ms. Perkins' office. On Friday, we will have Brandenburg Boot Camp or Open Gym with Marty. So students, if you've already signed up, then you are good to go as long as you can still stay. If there's anyone else who would like to sign up, please make sure that you get your permission form turned into Ms. High in the Youth Service Center. Also, we have a principals meeting at 8:30 on Friday, and we will have a BPI focus day. So students, on Friday, you will report directly to second period. And then our basketball conference tournament is this weekend. So we do want to take a moment today and recognize our student spotlight. Congratulations to Cody Stevenson. He is a 7th grade student here at SMS and a Green Monkey team member. His teachers had nothing but amazing things to say about this student. One says he is an awesome young man who is super intelligent. He always has a huge and friendly smile on his face, and he encourages others when they are down. He goes the extra mile for himself, his teachers, his peers, and he is so happy-go-lucky, dependable, responsible, and hardworking. He is truly a joy to have in classrooms and in our building. We have noticed since he came to SMS as a 7th grader that he is just an all-around great kid. So thank you, Cody, for always bringing it. We are so proud of your accomplishments here at Simons Middle School, and we can't wait to see the amazing things that your future holds. We do want to shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaderboard students for last week. Congratulations on Monday to Tynan Richardson, Tuesday Alyssa Jackson, Wednesday Jordan Simmons, Thursday Preston Cropper, Friday Emma Spencer. Our weekly top scorer was Preston Cropper, and the 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Abigail Smithers with 8 and Ben Lawson with 3. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection, and parents, students, community members. That Ask the Principal link is open, so I can't wait to hear your feedback. Let's have a great week, Cougars. Hooray!